Pluto is classified as a dwarf planet. A dwarf planet circles the Sun in the same way as other planets do. It is, however, significantly smaller. It was found in 1930 by CLYDE TOMBAUGH. He was a scientist from the United States who specialized in astronomy. Astronomers are scientists who study stars and other celestial objects. It was named by VENETIA BURNEY in the same year. She was an 11-year-old English girl. Pluto is a small planet. It is only half the size of the United States of America. It's smaller than the moon of Earth. The orbit of this dwarf planet around the Sun takes 248 Earth years. On Earth, one day on Pluto is approximately 6.5 days. It is nearly 40 times the distance between the Sun and the Earth. The Kuiper belt is where Pluto is located in space. The Kuiper belt contains thousands of small, icy objects similar to Pluto but smaller. There are 5 moons on this dwarf planet. Charon is the name of its biggest moon. Pluto is almost half the size of Charon. KERBEROS, Styx, Nix, and Hydra are the names of Pluto's 4 additional moons. In July 2015, the New Horizons spacecraft flew by Pluto and its moons, and the information it obtained at the time is now rewriting practically everything astronomers know about Pluto. When the International Astronomical Union developed a new definition for planets in 2006, Pluto didn't meet the criterion. Mountains, valleys, glaciers, plains, and craters abound in this freezing globe, which has an average temperature of -387 degrees Fahrenheit. Standing on the surface, you'd see blue sky with red snow. A recent picture analysis revealed a bumpy region on Pluto that is unlike anything else on the small world, or in our cosmic vicinity. Kelsey Singer, a senior research scientist at the Southwest Research Institute in Boulder, Colorado, said the team discovered a field of massive frozen volcanoes that are unlike anything else in the solar system. Using data from NASA's New Horizons probe, a group of dome-shaped ice volcanoes that appear unlike anything else known in our solar system have been spotted on Pluto, indicating that this isolated cold world is more dynamic than previously thought. According to scientists, the cryovolcanoes, which may number 10 or more, range in height from 1 to 7 kilometers. Unlike Earth volcanoes, which spew gases and molten rock, the cryovolcanoes on this dwarf planet spew large amounts of ice, apparently frozen water rather than some other frozen material, with a consistency similar to toothpaste. The researchers looked at a region, southwest of Pluto's enormous heart-shaped basin, packed with nitrogen ice, named Sputnik Planitia. Large domes measuring 30 to 100 kilometers wide were discovered, with some of them joining to form more complexly formed formations. One of the highest, Right Mons, may have originated by the merging of numerous volcanic domes, resulting in a shape unlike any Earth volcano. The fact that these structures are geologically recent, span a large area, and are likely to form of water ice, is surprising since it necessitates greater internal heat than we expected Pluto to have at this point in its history. Though scientists aren't sure how Pluto's cryovolcanic activity works, it's likely fueled by the heat produced by radioactive materials decaying in the dwarf planet's innards. Although Pluto lacks plate tectonics, the intricate system of moving continental crust that underpins geologic activity on Earth, a comparable phenomenon, is one of the sources of heat in the Earth's core. Scientists refer to geologic activity on Pluto as general tectonics, which may produce characteristics like faults in rock but lacks tectonic plates. There's still a lot that scientists don't know about these structures, how they arose, and how cryovolcanism operates on Pluto. Given other research suggesting Pluto was hot when it first formed and could still have a liquid ocean beneath its icy surface, the idea that liquid water could exist beneath the surface of Pluto raises the chances of life existing on the dwarf from practically non-existent to slightly more plausible. Pluto contains a lot of dynamic geology, such as flowing nitrogen ice glaciers, and a cycle in which nitrogen ice vaporizes during the day and condenses back to ice at night, which changes the planetary surface continually. Pluto is a geological treasure trove. Like, share and comment if you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for more such interesting content.